Now it's time to learn how to loop through a dictionary, which is super important when you want to read or process all your data. Whether you are displaying user info, calculating values, or exporting data, looping is your go-to tool. So let's see how it works. So first, create a dictionary called student. There we have name, then Gojo, another key age, 25, grade A, and city is Tokyo. Now let's see first how to loop through the dictionary keys. For that we can write the for keyword, then key, then the in keyword, and the dictionary name, which is student in this case. Then just write the colon sign and write the print statement and just pass the key. If you run the code, you will see it will print name, age, grade, and city. These are the keys. Now you can name this anything. This variable should not be key in name. You can write here ik. Doesn't matter. If you run the code, you'll see the same output. But let's call this key. Now behind the scenes, when we write for key in student, Python automatically loops through the keys of the dictionary. Now you can ask, then how we will work with the values? So for that, in the loop we will take the key, then let's print the key as well. After the key we'll give a comma, then let's do a string concatenation, and here I will give a equal sign, then a greater than sign, then again concatenation. Then I can write the student dictionary, and here I can just pass the key. So as you have learned before, if we write the dictionary name and pass the key in square brackets, it returns the value of the key. So now if I run the code, as you can see, it prints name Gojo, then age 25, grade is A, and city is Tokyo. This is the most common beginner pattern. Key is from the loop and student key fetches the values. Now if you want to access values without writing this, what you can do is, let me comment this, you can just write the for loop. So for value, again you can name this variable anything, then the in keyword, then just write the dictionary name and call the values method. Now if you write the print statement and pass the variable value and run the code, you'll see it just prints the values. For example, Gojo 25A, then Tokyo. Now you can ask, what if I want both, means the key value pairs? So for that, let me comment this, run this. As you can see, the output is now empty, and for getting key value pairs altogether, what you can do is you can write the for keyword, means the for loop, then you want the key and the value, okay, then the in keyword, and just write the student dictionary or the dictionary you created, then write the dot and call the values method, then write a colon sign, then again you can write the print statement, and let's do a string formatting, and here we want to print the key, then after that equal and greater than sign, and then we want to print the value. Okay, now if I run the code, it says for key two menu values to unpack. So what happened here? So why is that? Let me see. So it is showing error which is two menu values to unpack, and that is because we are trying to access key and value, but here as you can see I am calling the values method, but I have to call here the items method. Now it will return the key and the value as well. So now if I run the code, as you can see, it prints name Gojo, age 25, grade A, and city Tokyo. So behind the scenes, this items method returns a list of tuples like name Gojo, then age 21. So if I show you in a comment, it returns a list and that contains tuples like data. So it contains name like this, then there is Gojo, and after this tuple there is another tuple, there is a key called age, and the value is 25, and for these two there is more tuples like data, so I'm not writing them. Okay, now you can get a length of a dictionary as well. So you can write the print statement, then you can call the len method and pass the dictionary name. Now if you run the code, you'll see it prints 4 because we have 4 key value pairs in the dictionary. So this is how you would do it step by step. This is great for building logic from scratch. So that's how you loop through a dictionary in Python. So that's all for now. See you in the next one.